Hello everybody, my name is Kay, otherwise known as Chansoo Bromance on IG and Twitter. I also write as EXO1127_0112 on AsianFanfics.com. Hello everybody, so we're going to do some kind of Flashback Friday today. So I have some Nature Republic EXO merch that I've shown some of on my first Nature Republic haul video, but that was like over a year ago. And yeah, I've actually showed you Chanyeol and Dio's lip tints and the standees, but at the time, the Nature Republic near my area was still giving away EXO merch because they have so many, but that was like several months back. I'm just like showing you some of my collection here, and these lip tints have been expired since April 2021, so I'm not gonna use them. I'm just gonna display them here. And yeah, so we have Schumann, so we have two orange shades here, so Schumann's and Suho. So, and very cute, the Hyung line has like yellow beanies. And then we have Baekhyun, and so Baekhyun, Kai, and Sehun have similar beanie colors, and perhaps the shades are similar as well. And yeah, so Chanyeol, Dio, and Chen have similar beanies as well, and shades, so more of the purplish kind. Alright, so the standees, let's see, I'm going to have to open them one by one. So I still kept them on the plastic, and Schumann's looks like this. I think I've featured this on my Schumann things before. I actually don't remember, but yeah, I think so. So Schumann's looks like that. Yeah, just kept them in their boxes. Yeah, because I wanted to preserve them as much as I could. Then I have Suho's. So this one is Suho's. And so I'm going by birth order again. So this is Baekhyun's. So very cute. This is the acrylic standee. They've had their others as well. And let's see. So this is Chan's, right? And okay, let me see. And this is Chanyeol's. I actually have another one of this, and then I displayed it. So I just yeah, taking it out of the plastic already. And then Dio's. Yeah, I've shown you Chansoo's before. And yeah, it's got some dirt on it. Okay. Yeah, so this is what Dio's look like. And then Kai's. So Kai is very cute. Look at that. And wait, hang on. And this one is Sounds. So 8 standees. And then on my first one, at the time, my first Nature Republic haul video, I only had the day version, but yeah, I was given the night version as well. So let's do a very quick recap of this. Okay, and so night, why is it? I have no idea why it's upside down. Oh dear. Is it supposed to be like this? I guess so. Okay, so we have Chan. Oh, very. I'm getting vampire vibes. I don't know why. Okay, and Chanyeol. Yeah, I've seen this photo of him. So we have a signature here. 8 p.m. flashed. 10. Oh, it's got time. Okay. 7 p.m. twilight. Oh, that's why I'm getting vampire vibes here. Okay, then, oh, come on. So we have, oh, look at his makeup as well. Yeah, very vampire. I'm sorry. And we got the moon, the full moon. So 10 p.m. moon bow or moon bow. Ah, wow. Kai, 12 a.m. illuminated. Very cool. Then we have Suho, 1 a.m. starlight. Nice. Then we have wow, Baekhyun. 3 a.m. moonlit. Okay, and yeah, so this is the group photo here. Okay, that is it for night. If you want to see what the day version has, then you may go over my first Nature Republic haul video. Okay, so before we proceed with the photo books, I just remembered I have these two, I don't know, when was this, maybe 2015, 2016 era, and yeah, looks like from Chanyeol's Hair Maybe Love Me Right era. Okay, so these are Chansoo paper standees, nothing on the back, just, yeah, you can put them here, but yeah, I'll just keep it like this. So for posterity purposes. Okay, now let's move on to, okay, I'm not sure which is which. They have the same. So one of them would be OT12, I believe, and then this one. So this is like the latest one since we have Baldsu in here. And then this one is, I think this, they call this the second book. Yeah, second story. So yes, we will start with this one first. Okay, and it's a Nature Republic. So this will be like catalogs, I think, and yeah, more of the products that Nature Republic was promoting at the time. So again, cannot read Korean, and I'm thinking this is like where they harvest the ingredients, especially for the aloe gel, because that's like one of their most popular products, right? And now we have, yes, OT12. So we have all 12 of them in here. I know there is that member that I'm not gonna mention, but he was part of EXO. So yeah, I don't think it's right to like erase him or not let him exist, because he did. And anyhow, I'm gonna stop rambling and move on. Okay, this one is Seon, Baekhyun, Chanyeol, Dio, Suho, and Kai. Argan Ampoule. Okay, so that's one of their products. And then we have a cute Baekhyun here. Really nice. It's a long, yeah, it's like a, what do you call the portrait in the landscape? Okay, landscape type photo book. So we have Chanyeol here, very cute. And then we have Sky, EXO Sky. Very nice. There is EXO Sky again. Kai's adorable smile. And then very blonde Sahun. Ah, Kyusoo. And then yeah, we have Baekhyun, Suho, and Dio. Then we have Faito Origin. Cute. XOK. Right, and then oh, Kai, how cute. The photos are really precious. So far I'm getting EXO, right? Suho on the bike. Now we're getting the tall members. Oh, OT12, okay. Luhan, you can see. Oh, too cute. Very, very cute. Okay. XOM now. Right, I know there is that member, but he was a former member. And then we have Luhan Shi here. I swear, Shumin looks the same. And this was from 2013, probably. Look at them. Too cute. We have Lei. Yeah, XOM again. Yeah, I think this is before, maybe Growl era. Right? Because of their hairstyles. Okay, him. Alright. Please don't bash me because yeah, I can't erase him from this photo book. It'll be too much. And yeah, this was the time when, you know, he was in good terms with EXO. Alright. And we have Tao here. And Chan, very April and the flower vibes. Yes, we have Chan, Luhan, Shumin, and then Chan with a bike. Very cute. Oh wow. So we have like a collage of photos. So let's go over them very quickly. Right, OT12. Next page. Yeah, I think some postcards are here. Too cute. Okay. And that is it for Nature Public's first photo book or catalog. Now we'll move on to second story, so what do you call? So we are actually missing, I think, a couple members already. 3. So this will be OT9, right? Okay, very cute. This is so cute. Come on. Okay, and then yeah, we have the different lines, aloe line, argan line, aqua line, shea butter, etc, etc line. Okay, and then yeah, we have Dio first, representing the aqua line, I guess. Never mind, I'm just gonna focus on the members. Alright, then Huni, gorgeous. And Sehun again. Oh, he's so cute here. Sehun, Baekhyun, and Suho. Yeah, actually I gave my sister the fan that has the shot. So yes, and then we have Kai. Oh, different hairstyle. Okay, and Lei. Hi, Lei. So handsome. Okay, and Kai again. We have Kai. Lei reading a book. Lei, Xiumin, and Chen. So EXO are my main members of EXO. Chanyeol. Very blonde Chanyeol. Or platinum blonde, I would say. Then we have Baekhyun here. Riding a bike. Oh my god! Kyungsoo, so cute. Kyungsoo, Kai, and Chanyeol. So cute. Chanyeol. Okay. Ooh, Suho. Right. Then we have Chen. Handsome. And then, oh, hi Chen, Xiumin. And then Suho. Are you planting something? Tiny garden. Okay, and then, oh, Xiumin. Flawless. Okay, and then, yeah, we have OT9 again. So precious photo. I love this photo. Then we have, yeah, like the collage type thing. Here you zoom in. They're so cute. I can't. Dio looking at the cushion mirror. Then Xiumin spraying mist. Then we have gorgeous Chanyeol. Suho. Then we have cutie Lei. Chen, Xiumin, and Lei. Alright, moving on to Baekhyun on a bike. Kai. I love this. Yeah, I've seen this Chansoo photo. Right? Sorry, so cute. And Kai, Suho, and more OT9. Chansoo or Chenlei. Why are they holding like gardening tools? Okay, and that's it for second story. Now let's go to the last catalog, which was their last photo book for, no, I meant, because this is like the last photo book. So we have OT8 now. And, okay. Oh, nice. Let's see. Alright. Oh. Journey to Nature. Oh, the paper is actually quite thick. Very nice. So we have... Okay, let's see if there's something to prop it up. Maybe the lip tints. Hang on. Let me see. Is that better? A little better. We have Kai back here for representing spring. It says spring. Okay. And then so pretty pictures. Oh wow, Baekhyun. Oh, sorry. One of the lip tints fell. Okay, so we have Baekhyun with yellow flowers. Nice. Okay, wonder if this is like per member. Okay, let's see. Oh, is this the one where he's eating the flower? Probably. So we have Kai here. Very cute. Such nice pictures, really. Oh, Sule. Oh no, not Sule, sorry. Susu, is that correct? So they're representing summer. Oh my god, this is so precious. We have Balsu, very sexy. I don't know, I really liked him with buzz cut. I mean, I like him in any hairstyle, but he pulled this off really, really well. Then we have Suho, very princely. Okay, and here, cute. Okay, so that's like the full photo. Okay. Oh, wow. We have Shuchen. Oh my god. How beautiful. So they're representing autumn. That's why it's a bit orange. Okay, and then, oh wow. Xiumin and Chen. And then, yeah, here also. Nice. They're wearing also, yeah, for the cold weather as well. They're wearing clothes. And then we have winter. So it's for this photo shoot. So we have SC here for winter. And that's why there's snow. And golden retriever or a Labrador. Wow, who knew? And then he's holding snow in his hand. Oh my god, too cute. Soon. Okay, and oh, I love this. I actually have the lenticular photo card of this, but I will just show the including all the photo cards. So Nature Republic photo cards that I do have when I do my photo card binder or my photo card collection so far. Right, so stay tuned for that. And then we have OTA here. Oh, so cute. Right? And then, oh, okay. I think it's just, okay, I don't know how I can. Okay, so it's just like the photos of, like the front cover, the first photo of each season. Right? And then, oh, actually, it's perforated, so you can tear it and then make it into postcard, but I'm not gonna do that. See, like this is the back of it, so this can be made to postcards. And yeah, so here's like the collage type. So cute. Of every season of the year. And that is it. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you have further suggestions of what you would like me to unbox next and I have them on hand, I will do my best to accommodate you and schedule it for you, film it, and then post it. And so I hope you keep supporting the channel, and I'm glad to have you here. And in the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy. I will see you in the next video. Bye.